Farberware Strong. The 9-inch square cake pan's heavy-duty construction resists warping and heats evenly to brown beautifully and help reduce hot spots. Enhanced nonstick. The square cake pan features nonstick inside and out to deliver great food release with quick cleanup. Bring on the heat. Oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, great for roasting and baking needs. Bake more than cakes in the Farberware Nonstick Bakeware 9-inch square cake pan. The go-to choice for baking double batches of brownies and homemade birthday party cakes, this square cake pan is also ideal for preparing rich lasagnas, spicy enchiladas and other savory meals. Featuring heavy-duty construction, the durable cake pan reliably warp-resistant and heats evenly to brown beautifully and help reduce hot spots that can burn baked goods. Non-stick inside and out delivers great food release with quick cleanup. Oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This non-stick cake pan makes an ideal addition to the cookie, muffin and other baking pans in the Farberware Bakeware collection. Whether it's chocolate cake or casseroles, the versatile Farberware Nonstick Bakeware 9-inch square cake pan helps create both memorable desserts and main dishes. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy, easy to clean and non-warping. Looks very durable. Surprised at weight. I purchased this because all my baking pans are in storage during a home remodel. I have used this pan in a conventional oven to bake brownies and lined with aluminum foil to bake chicken breasts. I'm impressed by the weight of this item and it wipes clean with a clean damp sponge. I haven't washed it the dishwasher yet because it came clean with a damp slightly soapy sponge with no discoloration of the interior or exterior of the pan. Great buy. Now I'm replacing all of my bakeware pans with Farberware, that's how impressed I am.